Installation: drinking water faucet. Choose a suitable flat surface on the sink or countertop to install the drinking faucet. If your kitchen sink does not have a pre-existing hole, you will need to drill one, 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch diameter. A faucet bracket is recommended if there is no available sink hole. Step 1. Clean and dry the area. Step 2. Slip the front plate and then the rubber washer into the faucet stem. Step 3. Insert the faucet into the sink hole. Step 4. From under the sink, slip the back plate and a metal washer into the faucet stem followed by the wing nut. Tighten the nut to secure it. Step 5. Insert the quick connect coupling to the faucet stem. Insert the blue tubing into the quick connect coupling 1/2 inch deep. Then insert a collet to lock the tubing in place. Measure and cut the tubing. Leave enough tubing length for future maintenance. Most under-sink drinking water filter systems and reverse osmosis water filtration systems need the installation of an independent drinking faucet on the countertop for dispensing the purified water. Granite countertops are durable and popular in kitchens and bathrooms, but hard to drill through for mounting fixtures. In this video, we will show you how to drill a hole with a diamond-tipped hole saw in a granite countertop for a drinking faucet installation. Before we begin, please have all the tools ready and put on gloves, safety goggles, and a dust mask before drilling. Please note that a typical hole size can range from 3/8 inch to 1.5 inch in diameter, depending on your faucet stem diameter. Carefully select the hole saw diameter that suits your needs. Step 1. Lay a piece of masking tape or duct tape over the countertop. Measure and mark the desired location with a pen or pencil on tape. Ensure the mark is at least an inch away from the wall and the edge of the sink to prevent cracking when drilling. Step 2. Ensure the diamond hole saw diameter is barely larger than a faucet stem. Attach it to a power drill. Step 3. Press down the drill at a slight angle with the mark in the center. Start drilling slowly with steady and firm pressure until the surface is penetrated. Step 4. After the surface has been penetrated, press and drill straight down with firm and steady pressure. Stop periodically to dip the diamond tip of the hole saw in water to help cool it down. Drip a bit of water on top of the hole periodically to keep the dust minimal. Drilling through granite is a slow process. Please be patient. Step 5. Once the hole has been drilled through the granite, remove the masking tape and clean up the countertop surface and undersink. Install the faucet to the countertop, followed by the faucet installation instructions. If you are not comfortable drilling the countertop or using a power drill, please use a faucet bracket or seek help from a professional. Contact us if you have questions or concerns. Thanks for watching.